Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good. God give you lot of happiness. Today my vlog is about greens. So I am plucking greens at the front of you. This is the green of summer season. So I am plucking mustard leaf and lamb feet. So greens are having lot of other accessories such as spring onion, garlic, fenugreek, cilantro, chili, ginger and lot of other ingredients which are compulsory to greens. You can see greens are at the front of you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. We meet again in our next video.